Yet another name that's been making the rounds in the JFF presidential race is that of the former CASAFA president, Ambassador A.B. Stuart Stevenson. Some people have been touting the ambassador as the man to take charge of Jamaica's football. Mr. Stevenson himself is on record as saying he is not interested in a job until it becomes a paid position. So with FIFA now considering remuneration for the federation presidents, this door could be open for Ambassador Stevenson to finally go for the big job. Among his highly touted attributes are his suave leadership skills, his record of attracting major sponsorship to CASAFA during his 3 stints as president. And no one can dispute the fact that CASAFA, under his leadership, has consolidated its dominance of the national football spectrum, consistently producing more than half of the teams in the Premier League. Their senior and age group competitions have been consistently well run and well sponsored. The ambassador is also an actual ambassador, having served in the foreign service, which would have given him some experience in international relations, which would serve him greatly as JFF president. On the negative side, the ambassador's perceived aloofness might not get him much support from the parish presidents, and he does have a reputation as a bit of a vacillator and an indecisive decision maker. But I am sure Mr. Stevenson will tell you he's simply meticulous and operates with the requisite diplomacy, thus his title of ambassador. And so, as the 13 parish presidents prepare to make this crucial vote, we beg them to consider Ambassador A.B. Stuart Stevenson, a longtime servant of football, who could very well be the man for the job. We say, could be the man, not should be. I said, wait, I'm saying, could be.